Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for all things tech. If you're joining us for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in the tech world. Today, we've got some piping hot news for you. Apple Watch sales have come to a halt. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to dissect this news from a financial angle and see what it means for Apple, the market, and you. So, fasten your seatbelts as we dive into this intriguing development. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's start with the news that has everyone talking. Apple, a titan in the tech industry, has recently made the surprising decision to halt sales of their popular product, the Apple Watch. This is a significant development, as the Apple Watch is not just a product, but a symbol of Apple's innovation and leadership in the wearable technology market. The Apple Watch, since its launch, has been a game-changer in the industry, setting high standards for competitors. It's not just a watch, but a fitness tracker, a health monitor, and a seamless extension of the iPhone. The decision to halt its sales has left the tech world in a state of surprise. The reasons behind this decision are still unclear. Is it a production issue, a strategic move, or a response to some unforeseen challenges? As we wait for official statements from Apple, speculation is rife, and rumors are swirling. In this video, we will not only discuss the known facts but also analyze the potential implications of this decision. We'll look at how it could impact Apple's financial performance, market position, and future strategy. So, let's dive deeper into this development and try to understand what the halt in Apple Watch sales means from a financial perspective. Now, let's delve into the financial implications of this decision. The Apple Watch is a significant contributor to Apple's revenue. It's not just a product, but a key part of Apple's ecosystem that drives other product sales and services. The halt in sales could potentially impact Apple's financial performance. Here's how. 1. Direct revenue loss. The immediate effect is the loss of revenue from the sales of the Apple Watch itself. This could potentially affect Apple's quarterly earnings. 2. Indirect revenue impact. The Apple Watch drives sales of other Apple products and services. For instance, many users subscribe to Apple Music and Apple Fitness Plus to use with their Apple Watch. A halt in watch sales could indirectly affect these service revenues. 3. Stock market impact. Investor sentiment plays a crucial role in a company's stock price. The halt in sales could lead to negative sentiment, potentially affecting Apple's stock price. 4. Competitive landscape. The halt in sales could provide an opportunity for competitors to gain market share, which could have long-term financial implications for Apple. Remember, these are potential impacts, and the actual effects will depend on various factors, including the duration of the sales halt and the market's perception of this decision. We'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as more information becomes available. The market's reaction to the halt in Apple Watch sales has been a fascinating study in investor sentiment. Let's break it down. 1. Immediate reaction. The immediate reaction was one of surprise. The halt in sales of a popular product like the Apple Watch is not a common occurrence, and it led to a flurry of activity in the stock market. Some investors were quick to sell, fearing a negative impact on Apple's financial performance. 2. Analytical response. Once the initial surprise wore off, analysts and seasoned investors started to dig deeper. They looked at Apple's overall revenue structure, the role of the Apple Watch in it, and the potential reasons for the sales halt. This led to a more nuanced understanding of the situation. 3. Speculative trading. As with any major news, there was speculative trading. Some traders saw this as an opportunity to buy Apple stocks hoping for a bounce back, while others shorted the stock expecting it to fall further. 4. Long-term investors. Long-term investors, who believe in Apple's overall growth story, viewed this as a temporary setback. They expect Apple to resolve the issue and get the Apple Watch back on the shelves. Remember, the stock market is influenced by a multitude of factors, and while the halt in Apple Watch sales is significant, it's just one piece of the puzzle. It's important to look at the bigger picture when considering the market's reaction. As we look towards the future, the halt in Apple Watch sales presents both challenges and opportunities for Apple. Here's what we can expect. 1. Product development. This situation could drive Apple to accelerate its product development. The company might focus on resolving the issues that led to the sales halt and could potentially introduce an improved version of the Apple Watch. 2. Financial performance. In the short term, Apple's financial performance might take a hit due to the halt in sales. However, Apple's diverse product portfolio could help mitigate this impact. In the long term, the company's financial health will depend on how quickly and effectively it can resolve this issue. 3. Market position. Apple's position in the wearable tech market could be challenged due to the sales halt. Competitors might seize this opportunity to gain market share. However, Apple's strong brand and loyal customer base could help it maintain its market position. 4. Investor confidence. Investor confidence might be shaken in the short term. However, Apple's track record of overcoming challenges and its transparent communication with investors could help restore confidence. 5. Consumer trust. Apple's decision to halt sales could be seen as a responsible move, putting consumer safety and product quality first. This could enhance consumer trust in the long term. Remember, these are potential scenarios, and the actual outcome will depend on various factors, including Apple's response to the situation and market dynamics. We'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as more information becomes available. And that wraps up our deep dive into the financial implications of the halt in Apple Watch sales. We've covered the news, the financial impact, market reactions, and the future outlook. We've also shared insights from industry experts to give you a well-rounded perspective. Remember, the tech world is dynamic, and situations like these can have far-reaching impacts. As consumers and potential investors, staying informed helps us make better decisions. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more people. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this situation. Do you think this will affect Apple's long-term growth? How do you see the market adjusting to this news? Let's get the discussion going in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest happenings in the tech world. We have a lot more insightful content coming your way. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed.